How to log out of WhatsApp on other devices. To get started, first of all, you need to open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be taken to this page where you can view the chat list. Then, go to the Settings option at the bottom right corner. After that, select the option Link Devices from the menu. Tap on the device name that is linked with this WhatsApp account. Then, tap on the option Log Out at the very bottom. Proceed with your command by tapping on Log Out. Now, the account that was linked on that device will be removed from here. You can also remove the account that were linked to multiple devices by following the same process. You cannot access the messages or other features of WhatsApp from other devices once it has been removed like this. So, by following these easy steps, you can log out of WhatsApp on other devices.